Alright, squad, welcome back to Creepy Baboon. I literally promise that I'm gonna try to get more videos out. No more ignoring y'all or any of that. Alright. Yes, I got a new update. Welcome to our ship. I have a new trail. If I go in third person, you can see my trail and my wings. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, can y'all see it? Alright, let's see. So we have Bolt, we have Gleam, we have Blakey, we have Red Goofy, we have the Quavis. Used to be named Pineapple, but now the Quavis. We have Gerald and Ashridden. Alright, let's do this. Never mind. Please don't steal my pennies. Please don't steal my dollar tip. What am I doing with my life?
What happened? Not really like that.
Please don't steal my pennies, sir. Please don't steal my dollar tip. I would not like you to steal my dollar tip, sir. That's not very nice. It's very much not nice. I have a saw, but it doesn't work. You're so lucky it doesn't work. Okay, let me stop this. I feel like every time I get scared, I'm gonna turn it in you. Hey, what's up? Go to sleep on that. Hey, bro, we both got sauce and stuff for my. Oh wow. But I bet he won't chase me, no. He won't chase me, no. Yeah, you won't chase me, no. But he will. Oh wait, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm fine. He won't chase me. See? Oh my god. Oh no, Red Goopy can speak now. My god just said, get down to here. Oh my god, we're cooked. He's gonna steal my dollar tip. Bologna, chicken and macaroni, chilling with my whole chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken and mac. Oh my god, why is Ashridden so small? Honestly, telling by his picture, I really honestly thought. Oh my god! Please, I see why they call you boys. Please don't rob me. You are terrifying. The way you tried to jump me. The way you tried to jump me was not nice, son. Okay, we're fine as long as we stay up here. Watch this. Wait a minute, I hold the #1 spot for best monster. Cool. Oh my god. He did not want any of my snacks. He didn't want any of my snacks. I literally offered him M&M's and Skittles. Hey sir, you want M&M's and Skittles? You want M&M's and Skittles? 'em and 'em from Skittles? Okay, I don't think he does. Jump. Oh my god. Epic. Shall stab. That's not nice. Bro's brother. Now we're so fried. Bro, tell me why every time I get scared, for some reason I start doing an Indian accent. Like, bro, I completely forget how to speak English. Oh, hey, Paul. Hey, Paul. What's good? What's good, bro? Oh my god. No, thank you, sir. I wish to stay. Sir, why are you so bald that bro, you're so bald that man, your head is so shiny, bro. I can literally see my reflection in your head. Get some hair. I won't get out of here until you get some hair. Oh my god, bro. See, you know I didn't mean it, right, Red Ruby? Do you want a piece of me? You're kind of goop. If you're talking about throwing hands with me, no, I'd lose to you, sir. I'd lose. You'd straight up give me the 1-2, bro. The 1-2 uppercut, I'm down, bro. My guy really pulled out the, you want a piece of me? No, thank you, sir. You turned me into literal slime. Who said that? Who said they were a girl? You? Hey, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Did you know if you breathe, then close your lips, you can shut up? Man, get your, I knew this. Because no one Hey, I'm sorry, I'm kidding. Nah, who just took 5 steps? Is Queso in this game? Hey, I'm sorry. I'm still gonna question why your name is Mommy B. What, you trying to recruit workers or something? Oh my god, bro. You just stunned me, Indian. Oh my god, man. I'm ugly. I'm not Indian. You know this is just like an impression, right? Cause I know you ain't talking. You wanna roast me? Nah, how about you go back to the kitchen? Are we still saying Diddy Blood in the big 2026, bro? You know, and alright, we gotta publicly execute him. Where is he? Ash-ridden? Are we getting rid of his ashes or something? Why is his name Ash-ridden? His name is Ash-ridden. Wait, sacrifice Mommy B to them. I still hate saying that. Sacrifice Mommy B. Sacrifice. We shall give you peace if we sacrifice our fellow player. We say we come here today for the sacrificial of Mommy B. Alright? Alright. So when we see a monster, we push her off. We push her off when we see a monster and let her get torn into pieces. Alright? Hold her down. Nah, come back here. Nah, you're still getting sacrificed. Sacrificer! Gerald, we have a sacrifice! Get over here, I'm becoming does bad things guy, bro. Man, shut your Bro, I'm finna turn to Pat God. I'm finna use one of Pat God's roast, bro. I'm finna use one of Pat God's roast. If this absolute behemoth of a whale keeps talking to me. Gerald! Gerald! Hey, do y'all bring monsters we can sacrifice someone to? We need to sacrifice Gerald. Yo! Too close for comfort. He's very scary. I've been holding on to this thing for ages. I'm gonna become does bad things guy from No, I'm just acting. I will roast you so bad, bro. Wait a minute, I just gotta ask something. Are you spoiled? Like, do your parents spoil you, like, genuinely? I'm not spoiled. So how am I spoiled? You don't know my financial situation. I'm not Donald Trump with $7 billion in the bank, bro. You know my wallet could be holding like 30 bucks, bro. I get like. Oh, he's actually doing it. Wait, no. We sacrifice mommy B. Oh, trash. I will saw off your hands. I will push you and sacrifice you into the lava pits. Meow. Oh, man, bro, I'm gonna catch her in every way, bro. Like, bro is not juking me. I hold the #1 spot for monster juker. You should see me in... I know. Sorry to any Chinese people or Asian people. Man, shut your... I just honestly want to bonk you so many times. Like, this is the most spoiled person I've seen ever in my career of doing YouTube. I got money. He's running out of money. He's running out of money. He got like no cash. He got like no money. He got like, oh, I'm sorry. He has like he's running out of money. He's running out of money. I'm sorry. Hey, come here, Bolt. Come here, get your ankles ran. Come on, Bolt. Come on, Bolt. What you doing? Come on, Bolt. Come on, Bolt. I'm breaking them ankles. I'm snapping your ankles like twigs today. Get in this kitchen. If he comes in here, I'm running his ankles. If he comes in here, I'm running his ankles. Come here, Bolt. Come here, Bolt. Come here. Come here, Bolt. Hold on. Ooh. Bro lost in the sauce. My guy stared at the wall for a second. You saw how bro stared? You saw how bro stared and how bro was sitting there like, oh. Come on, bro. Let's run it. Let's run it. Oh, get me done. Oh, now my guy's sitting here contemplating. Come here, Bolt. Maybe not Gerald because he's confused, bro. Ready for round 2 of the game. How is you just doing that? Hello, sir. I'd like to call back to my name. Bring him back here, Cyan. Bring him back over here. Why my boy just lucky? Yeah, I've already lost the summer bundle, so. Bro, I just got jumped by Ash. I got jumped by Ash, bro.
Throw me in the water.
This guy just straight up. This guy straight up dissed me. Bro, Ash just straight up jumped me. My guy came out of nowhere. He got tired of me breaking bro's ankles. He got tired of me breaking his ankles. Not Ash. I just wish I could like fight out. Yo, why he wanna kiss me? How long is this video? 19 minutes. Why you wanna kiss me, bro? Like.
Please don't throw me in the water. Not play like that.
Oh, the Quavius! The Quavius! The Quavius the third. I don't like how he froze. Oh, no. I got like, I don't know. A higher posits Mickey Mouse. You breaking ankles. The intense roaring, guys. guys chill down. Like I'm hearing roaring every 5 seconds. Y'all are not in pain like that. Well, maybe some, like Gerald, Bolt, and the Quavis, because they have pieces missing out of their body. Yeah, bro, put your dog on a leash. I'm tired of breaking his ankles. Oh, guys, I'm sorry. I forgot to put him on a leash. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Alright. Let's just put the leash. Yo. Let's put the leash on. Alright. I have the leash. Come on, Ash. Get away from your friend. Oh, bad Ash. Bad Ash. We do not hurt people. Box connected to them. I believe I can fly. Hold on, watch this. And I'm drunk. There, what is the shit? Yeah, Ash, stay. He broke the lead. Alright, you know I'm gonna break his ankles. I'm sorry, but I gotta break your ankles. The fact that he moves He moves fast, but his walk speed does not match. His run animation does not match. No, it's the Quavis MC the third, bro. We're all cooked. He gonna pull up with that face, money, fancy clothes. Obscuria. The Quavis. Stay. I die. Bro, I was giving both that fresh new haircut. I don't think he liked it. I was giving both a fresh new haircut.
Oh God.
Well, thank you, Grey Goopy, for giving me motion blur. But anyway, that's gonna be the end of this video. Please, I beg of you, like, subscribe, comment, watch this video to the end. And here's my sick outro. I got like hella money. I got like $5. What?